Our world is digitally evolving. People, businesses, communities. We all rely on electricity to keep daily life and operations running smoothly. Now, to keep tenants happy and businesses thriving, the networks that power them must be smarter and more resilient than ever, resulting in increasingly complex systems. At Schneider Electric, we see these challenges as opportunities, driving us to advance the future of power management by embracing the digital transformation and designing innovative, connected products. We provide solutions that make power management easier, simplifying your day-to-day whilst maximizing uptime. Meet EasyPact MVS, our next-generation cost-effective circuit breaker, still offering best-in-class performance, revolutionizing user experience through reliability and simplicity. With EasyPact MVS, you get unparalleled visibility into your asset health, empowering you to make smarter decisions faster and switch to proactive maintenance. A 3-color health status bar provides an intuitive display of device health, while smart LED indicators display trip unit status from a distance. Equipped with NFC connectivity, EasyPact MVS puts shareable root cause diagnostics at the time of a fault in your fingertips, enabling faster response times to minimize downtime. Via seamless integration with the EcoStruxure software, users can access all historical data for well-informed decision-making, along with a quick and simple commissioning process. Make efficient impact today with EasyPact MVS, your partner in shaping the future.